live in a rapidly changing world where technology seems to be taking over every single aspect of life. One technology that is revolutionizing multiple industries and drastically increasing military and non-military capabilities of governments and businesses around the world is drone technology. Although the first unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV or drone, dates back nearly 175 years to 1849, when Austria attacked Venice using unmanned balloons, it is only during the past couple of decades that the usage of drones has become much more mainstream. With uses ranging from military, film, industrial inspection, and entertainment, drone technology is considered to be among the most important emerging technologies in the world. With a global commercial market estimated at $13.5 billion, with tens of billions of dollars being invested every year. Let's take a look at some of the ways drone technology is currently being used across the world. As is the case with many new technologies, militaries around the world have been the first to develop highly capable drones in an attempt to gain an edge over their enemies. From unmanned balloons in 1849 stuffed with explosives that relied almost entirely on the wind, to the present-day remotely piloted aircrafts like the Predator Sea Avenger, capable of carrying multiple sensor payloads, Hellfire missiles, guided bomb units, and laser-guided bombs, drone technology has become a critical and central part of military installations across the globe. While the US leads the way in military drone technology with its highly capable drone collection that includes the MQ-9 Reaper, RQ-170 Sentinel, and RQ-4 Global Hawk, other countries are quickly catching up. China, Russia, Turkey, Iran, and Israel have an impressive lineup of drones of their own, and even smaller countries are incorporating foreign-purchased drones to boost their military capabilities. Drones are able to provide vital surveillance and intelligence on enemy positions, but they can also be used to target enemy positions and for electronic warfare purposes. According to Elon Musk, the fighter jet era has passed. Drone warfare is where the future will be. Drones are also being employed by companies and governments around the world for numerous non-military purposes. Drones are highly effective and affordable for surveillance. They are used for inspection of bridges, wind turbines, power lines, and tall structures such as chimneys and roofs. With the help of electromagnetic sensors, drones are also assisting oil, gas, and mineral exploration companies to find the approximate location of hidden natural resources. Drones have also become a key component of modern-day filmmaking and journalism, providing viewers with access to images and cinematography never before seen. Additionally, major e-commerce players around the world, including Amazon, Walgreens, FedEx, and Domino's, are looking forward to using drones as highly efficient delivery vehicles. It is anticipated that by 2027, the market for retail fulfillment drones will approach nearly $7.5 billion. Drones have also been found to be extremely effective in the field of agriculture, where they can use LiDAR to measure crop height, heat sensors to detect the temperature of livestock, and other instruments to count plants and assess water quality. Some other highly effective uses of drones include aerial photography, weather forecasting, wildlife monitoring, and law enforcement. Perhaps most excitedly for the average citizen, drones are changing live entertainment in fantastic ways. Vast light shows created by synchronized drones are already very popular in China, South Korea, and other Asian countries. Light show drones, such as Intel's Shooting Stars, are very small, unmanned quadcopters. With the technology proven both for the military and non-military uses, and tens of billions of dollars being invested in drone technology every year, we are going to see better, more capable, more efficient and affordable drones in near future. However, with artificial intelligence taking a greater role in drones and concerns around the morality of remote-controlled drones being used in military applications around the world, there is likely a need to take a fresh look into the laws regarding usage of drones. There is no doubt that drones are going to be more widely used in coming decades. But will they contribute towards the advancement of the human race, or will they prove to be primary tools used for destruction by militaries around the world? Only time will tell. What do you think about the rise of drone technology and its implication on humans? Let us know by leaving a comment below. Also, like the video to show your support. Lastly, make sure to subscribe to the channel and to press the bell icon so that you can watch our future videos as they get released. We'll see you guys in the next one.